Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm going to present my Project 2 Bulls and Cows program on Python. Here are all the files that create the cool game. Here's how the game works. It's a number guessing game. And it also has a database that was given to us right here. This is the database. But we are manipulating the database to give reports on maybe specific players. For example, I can list all of the players right here. These are all the players in the database currently. um, and generate a specific player report. This is the cool part here. I'm very proud of this actually. I do that, and then here's the report for player A. So I did player A as an example, but here's player A. Highlighted in green are the stats for player A. I put subheading right here, a nice and bold title with an underline. I made it nice and readable for player A. There's 48 total plays done. Specific things on player A, which are really nice. What else is there to do? It can generate a normal overall report for all the different players. Here it is. Right now, there's 959 logged games for the overall report. That's quite similar, but not just for player A. See, overall gameplay summary based on all recorded players. This nice program can also, for example, I'm going to play a quick game. Username Tommy. I'm going to make the code so I can do it really fast. The answer, the number is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get it right. Boom, I win. I don't want to play again. I'm going to exit. Nice. Okay. So I can generate a new report. Run the game again. Generate a new overall report. Now this one, it will take into account that game I just played, 960 games, 27 players, and there is the game right there. I won in the first try, so it'll be right there. Cooler thing, even cooler than that, I can get a specific report for myself. Um, see, right here, report for Tommy, PDF. See, I played one total game, I won. Personal performance breakdown for this player, I'm right there, easy mode. And yeah, this program can do a lot of very cool things, do a lot of hard work. So yeah, thank you.